and I am gonna tell you the answer. And the final answer that you don't have to watch anything else before this. This is the last video of watching 10K per month. Quick intro. Who am I? You guys are think that in another make money online creator that self courses and hell nah. I am Arya Krishan from India, teach you all guys and expose the agent model that run behind it, and you guys are fall into it and tell you the exact roadmap. We all should go with that. I'm telling you all the exact roadmap. You all go with that. If you will, I'm cooking, guys. I'm cooking $50,000 cash in front of you all, and we just have to pop in. We just have to pop in. How would I make that kind of big money in that very short time? We guys are thinking about this is another thing. These guys are making me joke around it. No, crowd clearly the see it. What elements we go through in this video? Cure. I'm gonna tell the cure from not binge watching, how to make money in videos, and all that. And the confusion market, what brand behind it, and you guys are confused about all business model that you're watching, SMM and dropshipping, and how big mobiles move, like Iman, Alexander, Pelmar, that these guys are out of, and they expose that, and the reality check, and the bonus, at least. And the bonus is that I am showing a business model that you can actually make a lot of money, like they do. You just have to do what they do, not what they say to do. That's the one thing. And I'm gonna expose this business model and tell you the exact business idea that you can replicate this and make actually fuck ton of money. Well, then you don't have to worry about money. That's the main one. You don't have to worry about money. There's more things in life more than money. There's more. Well, how to not binge watching, how to make money as well. This. You guys are fucked up when you get habit of watching new videos all time. Wait, this guy has forced this as another video. I have to watch this and I'm getting this kind of information. Then I get all kind of money in my bank. I'm gonna win. Fuck. This is not always it work. Just pick one avatar, one model. You just have to pick one avatar, not at all. You guys are thinking that I am gonna follow this guy, and I'm gonna actually replicate that information in my business, in my knowledge. That is not how it's works. You just have to pick one avatar and one model that you can replicate and that you can go through. Well, pick one avatar. Like our guys are Yusuf is very good guy, man. He's crashing this model acts. And one model I'm telling you in this last video, in this last version of this video, will just show me this one. Well, action is the only cure. You guys probably think is the I know everything. Every day I would be online business model, and you guys are watching this video, watching that video, and doesn't just consume the knowledge, but not taking action. How can you change your life, man? What? So action is the only cure. You just have to take action. There's the only medicine in this. That's the only medicine. You just have to take action. Confusion market. You guys get confused by market. But this soda drop the thing. They're making $10,000 in a load, but they make $10,000 in revenue. You guys don't see that. What kind of profit they made? 20%, 50%. Market standards maybe $2,000 in the more. So well, confusion market, you get confused by that. And they tell you you just have to do dropshipping. What? Your mind is sucked when you guys are consuming too many knowledge. You are overstimulation your knowledge. You guys have knows everything but don't know what to do. That's the main thing. Well, confusion mind is lazy mind. You just have to get out from this confusion. Pick one model one ever put. That's it. Well, break the conclusion and make rules. Break the fucking rules. I am gonna tell this. There are no fucking rules. You are guys are free. I'm telling myself all that. There are many. There have no rules. If guys are rules maker, get out from this job. Confusion zone is a great fucking lazy minded job. Get out from this zone and then make the rules for you. Do what you love. Do what business you passionate about. Put about this and go with dropshipping. Go with e-commerce business. I also running my e-commerce business. I have an Indian e-com brand. Break computer. Just pick one model, maybe just pick one business model and go with that. That is small. But how big movers move? The one rule to follow this. Do what they do, not what they say. Do what they do. Pick up. Not this shit. Do what they do, not what they say. This dude. Guys, this guy, Luke Alexander, he is making probably more money than showing the business that you can that kind of money. This guy is making probably $100,000, maybe $200,000. I know some guys that are behind this guy. They posted tweet about this. How can I replicate? How can I operate this guy and how we manage the product and how we marketing or strategy. And he does tell this probably making $1,000 per month from his info product. Info is the king, baby. Influence is the king. These guys are make more. They make money by telling how to make money. They make money by telling you guys how to make money. You have to accept this. You have to accept this. They make money by telling. Probably most of you always know about this. This is how this moves. This is how they move. This is how they wait. This big camera like me and click the button, whatever you want. Fuck what you think, fuck what they think. It doesn't matter to me or us anything else in this creator economy system. There's still more fucked up money. We just have to pipeline to get to your profit. Is it a club? Well, this is how they move. By telling you how to make money. And I am doing the exact same things. Just copy my following things. How can I do? And how can I keep $1,000? How can I make $1,000 pass in front of you all? Exact the roadmap, exact the system that I built for myself, and then showing you all guys. That's it. Well, there's in the restaurant. Oh, the business idea that can actually make you money. If you guys send a lot of fucking money, you don't have to worry about money. That stops the fuel man. Can do whatever you need. Well, I like simple rules. And then you will in simple terms. Be a backend creator. Backend creator means behind the creator. We don't have to form our social media for our social interaction. That's kind of person that I can do with this. You can go with backend creator. Backend creator means behind the guy who operate the creator all sales process, marketing, content, every for all things, all kind of stuff to handle with creator. This is called backend creator. You guys are probably contract with them and making with some money, maybe with some money. Also, I'm give you the exact things how these guys are made. Well, he's from Argentina, one of my friends. He also done this model, this structure, applied his business model. He's a backend trader. He managed a home gardening niche. To what definitely. Well, he closed that. Just read that. I get into $20,000 USD. $20 a ticket for that with this paper. That's a 100K. There's probably is making forward. Also, not able to surprise what I have seen. He's just saying 50K in the back, 50-50 is it? Well, he also contact with his paper, 50-50. I just say, what the fuck is it? That's why you hate to beat back hunted critters. I tell you, it's on the beach. You make massively, yeah, my boys massively making loads of money, making loads of money. Was making $100,000. See, exactly. This is what that I could do a little bit, and I can go with this. Well, this business model, expand it. This video maybe long further. Well, that's why I have to make another video about this second trip model. And well, that's it. No, that you don't have to worry about another 10K per one video. Just follow one model, one avatar, and break the fucking rules. And with this backend product, you can make massive amount, baby. It's massive account. You just have to ask the world to give you the money. This is the only rule. We just have to ask the world to give you the money. You can make money. I can make money. You just take money. We just take money. That's it. Well, conclusion. So, if you guys are tired of watching the same kind of old making or 10K per month videos and can find a big enough profitable business model, I guys, I invite you all guys to join me on this journey to the move to $50,000 cash. Together we'll explore new ideas, challenge, confidential, wisdom, and most important, build businesses that brings joy and fulfillment. That's so fun. Go with business with money. Whatever you do, whatever businesses you, if you don't happy, if you don't fulfillment, what you do, man? Well, that's the only goal. So join the community where we will make big pack. What's the community link in my description, baby? Well, let's join. Let's talk with personally. We just have to make money. I tell you the exact roadmap, exact building, exact whatever. I will do like the canals. You guys are quick second minute. But now that's it. Me, you, your G. Fix.